Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Drew's Food Reviews. Now, I don't know what to really call this one. It's going to be all over the place. I guess I could call it Search for Snacks and go with that. It typically could be breakfast, but I'm not really sure. I sent away for this online. Been dying to try it. Even though it says pizza, they were doing a special label and putting it all on different labels for different things for you to try different ways. This is Vegemite. Yes, good old Vegemite in a jar. Even though it says pizza, they were running a special label thing, and got this off of Amazon. And I don't really know what to think of it. I've heard that it's a little bit salty and you only need to do a little bit. So what I did was, this was the recommended way to do it. I got some toast and I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on the toast. Melt the butter. They said to do a thin layer and poke it with a stick. Yeah, likey. All right, so yes, I'm gonna do a thin layer of a little bit of butter. So yes, just a little bit of thin layer of butter on nicely. This is sourdough, by the way. You can use whatever kind of wheat bread. I don't know. You like wheat, white, sourdough, multi-grain, bagels, who knows? This is going to be just the plain Vegemite, and always remember hearing the group saying, you know, handed me a Vegemite sandwich. It is a spread, vegetable spread, and yeah. All right. Okay. It does have that kind of a meaty vegetable type flavor. I don't know. Now they said very, 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 very thin layer of the Vegemite. So I think I'm going to start with maybe that much for the whole thing of toast. Very, very light. Now, let's see. I don't know if I want to, yeah. Vegemite. Now they said it's very salty. It's got a bit of a bite, so all right. Now I suppose what I will do is, now that I've got it, I'm just going to take a little tiny dab on there, and I'm going to just try it. Try it by itself. I don't know if it's very salty, if it's very meaty. If it goes well on a shrimp on a bobby, who knows? All right. Okay. Very, very salty. That little bit. Yeah, very salty. It's got like a kind of meaty flavor. I can't taste the vegetable. Mostly salt, yeah, if you do a lot of that Vegemite. So, it's not horrible. This would go well, like I said, breakfast time. Little tiny bit on your toast. Said to put it in a broth. There's lots of different ways you could do it. Like they said, pizza, a little bit of pizza. Stews, sauces, whatever. All right, I'm going to give it a try. Actually, not too bad. Toast is a little dry. I have tried the Vegemite. Got a unique flavor, a little salty. The butter helps to blend it. It wouldn't be something I would have every day. But some people swear by it. I know Australia loves their Vegemite. They love it on pretty much everything, lots of different things to try. Very salty though. So you got to go very, very, very easy. This jar will probably last me forever. Probably won't want any more. I don't know. I could look up other recipes on how to use it in different things. So, yeah. Not bad. A little salty. It'd probably go better with a little bit of maybe jelly, piece of tomato, fruit, something like that. Kind of make it a little bit sweet, but not bad. I don't know that Vegemite deserves the rap it gets of being really bad. It's edible, but it wouldn't be my favorite, wouldn't be my choice of a breakfast snack. So for that one, the pizza labeled Vegemite snack, I'll give it a 7. 7 out of 11. It's a decent snack from down under. No matter how you poke a stick at it, put it on your shrimp, put it on your barbie, put it on your toast. Have yourself a cracker of a breakfast. So there you go, guys. There's a snack for you. Early morning, afternoon, evening with your toast, whatever you want. So there you go, guys. Tried the Vegemite, and I don't know, find something else to do about it. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell. That way you won't miss any future content, or if I go live, you won't miss the fun. So till next time on Drew's Food Reviews, when I will be trying something new and tasty for you. I'm going to put this down under and see what else I can find. So until next time, guys, talk to you later.